Today I'm welcoming Armin from Lancaster University, which is the first university in the UK to have the Meltio M450 3D printer. Welcome, Armin. We would like to ask you about yourself, the work of your department and what you are doing with the Meltio 3D printer. So first of all, Armin, please can you introduce yourself and tell us a little bit about your background?
Hello everyone, I work as an Innovation Fellow in Additive Manufacturing for GISMO project at Lancaster University. In this project, I work with SMEs in Cheshire and Warrington area to analyze industry problem, find a solution, and to develop a smart material. Before joining this project, I was doing my PhD at Lancaster University in multi-material adhesive joint that I started in January 2017 and finished in June 2020.
Okay, thank you. And can you provide a brief overview of how the Department for Engineering at Lancaster University utilise the various additive manufacturing technologies, both in undergraduate and postgraduate programmes?
Yeah, sure. We have a wide variety of 3D printers using FDM, SLA, SLS and SLM method to print polymers, carbon fiber composite, and metal. In the past few months, Lancaster Product Development Unit has invested heavily on the new kits such as Meltio 2 Builder FDM machine and 3D System SP Pro 60 SLS machine and filament maker kits. These kits are used for various design projects in undergraduate and postgraduate level. We are also running several internship projects that involve using additive manufacturing technology to help SMEs in northwest of England.
Okay, thank you. And what factors contributed to your decision to invest in the Meltio M450?
I think multi-material structure is a hot research topic in academia in order to produce the lightweight structure. So we saw a potential in Meltio that gives us a flexibility by using a powder and wire in the same machine to produce the multi-material structure.
Okay, that's great. And what benefits do you see this technology contributing to the work of your department, allowing you to innovate further?
Well, Meltio allows us to print with two different material by combining a two wire or wire and powder in the same machine, which wasn't possible in the past. So far, we have developed and we wrote a couple of new proposals to do a research, such as printing with a wire and using a laser to do a surface finish, or to build fast with a thick wire and use a fine powder to give a hard surface finish. These proposals we couldn't do this in the past in engineering department, but now with this new machine we can basically do a further research in this area.
That's great. And what is your experience with the printer so far?
Well, we got the machine I think 2 months ago from a Create Education team in the UK. And so far we have printed some default models from Meltio and also some simple geometry such as dog bone shape sample that we're mostly gonna use for our research. We have used the single wire because we haven't received dual laser head yet. I think we're gonna receive it after this lockdown. And in the past few months, I was in contact with a team in US, Spain, and also UK Create Education team to understand the capability of the machine because there are so many academic staff who are interested in this machine and they want to write a proposal to work with this machine. And I mean, to be honest, I received a very great support from all the team in Spain, US, and also in the UK.
That's brilliant. And what research and applications do you eventually want to use the machine for?
Well, the main use of Meltio is going to be for research in our department. 2 PhD students started their project this month. and who are going to work with Meltio in their research. One of them is going to work with Professor Andrew Kennedy on a design, manufacture, and evaluation of the novel hybrid metallic structure manufacturing by multi-material 3D printing, which is Meltio. And another PhD is going to work with Professor Pedro Rovira on the design of novel alloys and microstructure for additive manufacturing. Besides research, we are running a different program to support SMEs with the Lancaster Product Development Unit. For instance, we have a greater innovation for smart material optimization GISMO project, which is a £4.4 million fully funded project for SMEs in Cheshire and Warrington area. And also Lancaster University is a part of £6 million AIR funded project aiming to give a Manchester business help to develop product and services. This type of program enables SMEs to collaborate with us and benefit from vast amount of collective expertise, access to the technology and bespoke R&D projects.
Okay, that sounds really interesting. Thank you. And what would you like to tell people that are thinking of investing in a Meltio M450 product?
Well, I can say it in a very short sentence. I think Meltio is an affordable, high-quality metal 3D printer with a great potential to produce a multi-material part with a low cost.
Okay, that's great. And do you have any plans to write articles and publish any results when you get more data from the printed parts and the work that you're doing?
Yeah, sure. That's our core business, basically. We have 6 academics working manufacturing and material science area in the engineering department who will use Meltio for their research, plus 2 PhD students, as I mentioned, who are going to use Meltio for their research. Personally, I'm interested in studying the bonding between a powder and wire. So hopefully you will see the result of our work gradually in the next 2 years.
That's brilliant. Okay, and one last question. So what are your future goals on metal 3D printing in general?
Well, our long-term plans are to support businesses across any sector to investigate the technique for the first time and prove a new concept design and develop a new material. We are also interested in doing a research to improve technology in the terms of cost, quality, new material, and novel structure, and publish our research results.
That's brilliant. Well, thank you for your time this morning, Armin. It's been lovely talking to you, and I'm glad you're getting on well with the machine. And you know where we are if you need any further support. Thank you.
Thank you so much.